In this video, I'm going to review the Hamilton Beach Scoop Single Serve Coffee Maker. This coffee maker is perfect for people like me who love coffee, but their special ones, their wives or their loved ones do not. In my case, my wife does not like brewed coffee, so it's a waste if I brew a whole pot of coffee in the morning and it's just me who's going to drink it. So this is a perfect solution for me. And I never liked using those Keurigs, the single serve coffee makers with all those plastic disposable coffee cups. I just feel it's so wasteful and not very good for the environment. So here you go. As you can see, it is stainless steel. This is where you put the coffee, and here are the parts. So this is where you put the water, and this is where the water will flow, and this is like the brew assembly. I don't really know what it's called, but anyway, so this is how it will look like. Okay, and if you are only brewing 1 cup, you can turn this upside down so that the coffee cup will be closer to the drip area. So there you go. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to make a single cup of coffee for this video. Coffee is always better if it is freshly ground, so that's why the coffee I'm going to use for this video is freshly ground from my Brielle Java coffee grinder. This is called a Kapeng Barako, which is from the Philippines. I love this coffee brew. There you go. I put approximately 3 teaspoons here. So there you go. I don't need to use any tamper or not, but if you could see this section right here, if you love your coffee with some kind of spice, like Arabic coffee has cardamom in it, so maybe this is where you put it. I'm not quite sure, I've never tried it, but it definitely makes sense that it will be put in here. So after putting the coffee into this scoop, we put it right there, close the lid, and put the water in. Put the cup right there. And then you can see here it has 2 settings. One is a regular and the other is bold. And I'm not really sure about the difference. I've only seen this in Krispy Kreme, like they have the rich coffee and the regular drip coffee, but I feel like the bold steeps the coffee a little bit longer than just the regular drip. So I've just usually used bold and I love that setting. Here we go. And the coffee is ready. The coffee is ready. It's a little too full, but that's not a problem. I'm going to drink it anyway. The coffee is ready. Don't worry if you make it too full. The basin right here is going to catch the drip of the coffee and you can just clean it up after. So enjoy.